Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your Google Usage ID in the Gemini app on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store and search for the Gemini app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some settings may not appear if you are using an older version. Once the app is updated, simply open the Gemini app on your phone. After opening the app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on your profile to open your account settings. Now go to the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Usage or Strings section and tap on it. Here, you will be able to see your Google Usage ID. You can simply tap on it to reset or regenerate the ID easily. And that's basically it! That is how you can reset your Google Usage ID in the Gemini app on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.